Welcome back, guys. This is at EPHS Every Problem a Solution. Are you a businessman or an entrepreneur and you want to share a soft copy of a certain file with someone, maybe your client, and you want it to be official, you want it to be organized, you want to protect the file, you don't want it to be revealed to the third party, then this video is for you. Stick with the video right from the beginning all the way to the end, as I'm going to show you how you can protect a PDF file to the extent that you can add a password to it that you can just share with your client, which will make your client to be very, very impressive that yes, you really take this very, very serious. So how can we do that? First, let me show you what I'm trying to say makes sense. If I should go to my PDF file, which is this PDF application, if I tap on it and open it, okay, having it load up, I edited one of the file for the sake of this video, typically for demo, for you to see what I'm trying to say in essence. If I tap on this file, it won't open. It will request for the password I used to lock it. You can see this is completely interesting, because they already knows that no one else can have access to this except those that have the password or have access to the password. You will see that if I tap in the password right now, the file tends to open up, and here it is. You can see this is interesting. So maybe you are trying to share a file with someone that you don't want them to see your signature or whatever, or maybe there are some sensitive information in it, you can always try to consider doing this. I think it's a very great thing and a very great idea. So how can we do this? Let's start from scratch. First, you need to have this application. Okay, this application known as PDF Reader. If you don't have it, here's how you can get it. Head right onto your Play Store. All mobile phone comes along with Play Store. If you are using a Mac, that is an iPhone, then you should be able to get it in Apple Store. But I can't really say how it works on Apple Store. Maybe the PDF Reader works on there or not, I can't say. But for Android user, just go to your Play Store and go to the search bar of your Play Store and type in PDF Reader. So the application should pop up. So I'm going to type in PDF Reader. Another good thing about this application is that it is completely free. Honestly, a big kudos to the developer of this application. If you are watching this, I need you guys to know that I'm not being paid for this. I'm just being linear. Honestly, this PDF worth being paid off. Okay, I think it has the pro version. You can always subscribe for the pro version, because most of the features I was able to figure out in that free version was extremely interesting and impressive, honestly. So if I tap on this application, this is this over here. Okay, that's why I press and hold it for you to see it in Excel. If I tap on it, I have it on my mobile already, so I won't need to install it again. But for yours, instead of having open option right here, you will have it to be install option. Okay, you have it to be install option. So having it installed in your mobile, you can now begin to open it. Okay, okay. So if I tap on the open option, the file will open. So once it has opened, you have it done successfully. Now you can now select the file that you are willing to lock. So you can see it, you will be able to see it properly. I won't select the one I locked already, I will select another file. Let me just select this modified GNS 212. Okay, if I've locked it already, it won't open. Okay, you can see I didn't lock it at all, it's open straightforward. So right now I can see that this is the material. This is the material. So it's quite longer. In order to not make the rendering and the saving process to be very, very slow, I will need to reduce some of the page of this PDF. And to do that, I'm still going to use this same application. You can see that's why I said the application is extremely powerful. So to do that, let's just click on this three dot icon that's at the top right hand corner of your mobile. Clicking on that, you want to select this last option that says edit mode. Edit mode. Click on that. So it will prepare the images. So the images are 27, so it will render everything for you. Okay, it's 12 actually, it's 12. So let me just reduce it. Let me delete some part of it. So if I delete this, I'm just trying to tap. This is the option I'm tapping on. This is delete. That's another interesting option. You can always reduce the length of the PDF or some of the page by just deleting them. I'm just going to leave like let me leave like 3, so that the rendering can be very fast. Okay, I now have just 3 pages. Now right now you have to click on this done option. But I want to show you some interesting part of this application. And one of the features that I love the most is that you can add signature to your file, which is extremely interesting. Some people will have to maybe print out their file first before they now begin to sign. This PDF can allow you to embed your signature in your soft copy and print it out as hard copy once and for all. That's interesting. By just clicking on this add signature, this will just work clearly. It just work clearly and there will not be any issue. You can understand. So if I tap on my signature, let's just say you want to do something, then that will be the signature you are willing to use. That's interesting. I really love that. Now, having done that, let me just cancel that because I'm not adding that. That's not the sake of this video. You can also add a text. Okay, how are you? You can add a text. I click on down. You understand? You can zoom the text. Okay, I actually tap on the delete option. So that's just not for the sake of this video. Let me just go back. Okay, let me go back because I'm not doing that for this video. Alright, discard it. I'm not saving the clip. Now, back to this point. Back to this page. This is where we are going to save our file. Just tap on this done option. Okay, tap on the done option. Now tapping on that, it's going to save the file and ask you if you are willing to shuffle the position of the file. When you mistakenly go and place page 1 at page 10, you can always bring it back before you save your final file by just pressing and hold it. Then we are going to change the position. You see, once you press it and hold it, you can flip it to wherever you want it to be placed. You understand? That's interesting. Now, having done that, you can just continue. Tap on the continue option, and boom, it will request for the name you are willing to save the file. Let me just say edit to. Then you can now check this box, okay, in order to add password to it. This is the box. You can check it in order to add password to it. I'm just going to tap on that, and to request for the password I'm willing to use to lock it, I'm just going to say 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm going to tap on convert PDF, and boom, I have it to be saved. So let's allow it to render, to convert it properly, and see if this really works or not. That's just it, guys. Hopefully you find this interesting and helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. So let's see our outcome. So I'm just going to delete everything if you have saved by now. So I'm just wipe everything away. Okay, then I'm just going to go back to the PDF application. Okay, here it is. Edit 2. You can see it already showed that this is locked. That's interesting. So by the time maybe someone that's wanted to harm or some, so once they see locked, they already knows that no, they can't have access to this. So it will request for the password before it opens. That's just it. It will request for the password. You understand? That's just it. I'm using tapping 1 2 3 4 5 6, and boom, the file will open, and that's just it. Hopefully you find this content helpful. If you haven't subscribed, like I said earlier, please do what, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.